All right, so today we're going to add a new bio to this section here. So the first thing I did is I went to Lightroom and imported the picture, and this is a before and that's an after. So what I did is I upped the vibrancy a little bit, the colors of the vibrancy. So that's before and after there. Then I did a little bit of vignette around the outside edge, before and after. And I did this noise reduction here, before and after. Then I brought this into Figma and I duplicated this. She was actually a lot smaller than the original size, so I had to drag this out, but it doesn't look too bad. Then I sized it so that the heads are all the same size. So there's a line that kind of runs. So I got it basically the same size. So there wasn't enough up here when I sized it in the right size. So what I did was I duplicated this piece here. So I'll turn this off. And then I used the crop tool to crop that. And then after I cropped it, I used this layer blur. You can pick a different effect. I used the layer blur. I did quite a bit, and that sits on top of it. And then I exported that out. Then over here in Squarespace, I added the new profile, dropped in the image like that, added her title. Now for a description, similar to the way the other ones are. So that's the first one that shows, and the rest is hidden as an expansion. So that's how you put that in. And the other thing I also did, I want to mention, is I optimized this image. So that's really super important. Before I put her image in, I optimized it. And that's how it turned out. I think she looks great.